Pull up in a hurricane, somebody call the FEMA. Y'all on me going 90, had to speed up. Chopper on me, that bitch singing like a lift. Now she saying 40 poking out, I had no idea. Pull up in a hurricane, somebody call the FEMA. Y'all on me going 90, had to speed up. Chopper on me, that bitch singing like a lift. Now she saying 40 poking out, I had no idea. No idea.
Good morning guys. So today we're going to be doing the bride seat install. I already have one in right now, but I'm going to show you guys the basics and all the stuff that you're going to need for this install. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the basics, the stuff that you're going to need for an actual aftermarket bucket install. You're going to need obviously your seat. I went ahead and I bought the Cusco bridge seats. Comes with it, like a certificate and everything from Japan. And if you guys know you got an official one, you guys should have a box like this. That's when you know you guys got a real one. Plus you have a certificate of authenticity, so you'll be able to tell that's a real one. It'll have barcodes on the side and everything. So really happy with the seats. You're also going to need a seat bracket for the side to be able to adjust the seat up and down and front and front. And you're also going to need your seat bracket. So basically it's going to go like this. That's going to go on top of there, just like that, and that's going to go there. And then actually no, you know what, my bad, the rails, I haven't taken them out of the packaging yet, but you're going to have a rail on the bottom first, and then you're going to put this bracket right on top of the rail, just like that. So you're gonna have your seat bracket made for your car, the rail, and then the seat bracket itself from either Sparkle, Buddy Club, or Bride Mix some too, but I just wasn't able to get a good deal on the Bird ones. The Sparkle ones were really a good deal, so that's the way that it goes. So let me go ahead and assemble this together and show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so this is how it should look like once it's already all completed. So you have the bracket that's specifically made for whatever car you're using it on. So this one's going to be going to 370Z obviously. And then you're going to have your rails back here. And then you're actually going to have the actual bracket that connects to the actual seat for the bucket. Normal seats guys, they don't come with the side bracket, so you don't have to worry about that. You just need your actual seat bracket made for your car and your rail, and that's it. That's all you need. You don't need that side bracket, so you save some money. But yeah guys, I'm all done. I just need to connect the seat belt on days that I don't feel like using my 4-point harness, and then that's it. Be able to throw those in the car right now. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so both seats are now installed. Got that nice logo. Let me see, probably see it a little bit better. Got that nice black bread logo. Got the red bread right there. Got the Cusco USA right there. Got the roll cage. On the driver's side, I actually have the 4-point harness. I just gotta install it properly. I just have it just mocked up right there for now. The 2 bottom ones are installed, but I just gotta connect the top portion to the actual roll bar harness. Connects back there. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the car washed up and head out for a meet. We actually have a Zentral Meet today, so gonna go ahead and show off all the new stuff: the steering wheel, the cage, and then the seats. A lot of people haven't seen it yet, so alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for that now.
Lost in the fog of my city, I'm closing my eyes and I take a deep breath and I jump off the bridge. There's no going back, the weight's on my shoulder, the pain on my chest and the devil exists. Niggas wanna play with the blade, now bow to your knees and you beg for your life, now you worship the grave. You fucking with piss, that's locked in the cage, that's looking for flesh in the murderous way. Creep out the dungeon, I hop out the bush, dragging your body inside of the woods. Murderers, drug dealers inside my hood, run motherfucker, I am with my nasty, did this on the check on the ground, better give me my
Dog, bitch, I'm off the leash. Money links with major profits, bitch, cool it, stop it. I got a rocket, I boot you to NASA. Astronaut status, super future with the blammer. Hammer times at my hand of mine. Fucking but ugly nuts, sucking big musty nuts. Fucking ram, only living once. Ride it or not, you can run my one. Look close at my hand. Can't you see the way I treat her? 3, 4, 5 from. I'm the nigga with the heater. I'm the one they call the leader. Drinking Henny by the leader. Bring you flowers just to please ya. Call your phone cause I need ya. Taking shots cause I need to. Tequila, kila, kila, kila.